Hello, my name is Anna Ng, a poet, an editor, and educator. I live in Mississauga, so here I stand at the center of our city, Mississauga, and at the Celebration Square. Usually here are very busy and with many festivals. And as you can see, behind me is our city hall and the tower, and also surround the building are very beautiful. And we have many festivals here. And in August, we have Japan Festival. And I have my haiku project and to show haiku and haiga and also other games for people to enjoy and engage. And today I will take you to some place in Mississauga and to let you see a beautiful city and also some photos for our project eBook, the here and the now, and the discover Mississauga and more. So follow me to our Japanese park in Mississauga. It's named after Japanese city Korea Garden, and you can see it's very beautiful, right? And this is the happiness bell. I would like to do a haiku project here. It's beautiful. As you can see, this is a lovely stadium, right? And we also have photo for that to invite the people from everywhere to write haiku for that. And in our ebook, you might see the haiku and the photo.
The haiku walking tour happened at Riverwood Garden, and many participants happily joined us to take a walk and write about haiku. And then we have following up haiku online workshops to help them to develop editing skills. Then we also have a website to have many photos to invite the people to write haiku and to contribute haiga. And I want to thank these people to provide the photos for free and also haigas to showcase with us. Then we have in-person event at the Celebration Square for Japan Festival. And so we will showcase this haiku and haiga. And also we have haiku with photo games for people to join us, to engage and to participate. And we are happy. Then soon after that, we have eBook. Thank our guest editor, Hans Johnman, and to help me to select this haiku.
I'm happy to design this ebook. Sherway Press produced this ebook with 3 parts. Part 1, haiku with participants. Part 2, haiku with photos. And part 3 as haiku, and total we have 54 pages. And we want to thank our sponsor again. Our sponsors include Mississauga Arts Council, the League of Canadian Poets, Triple G Canada, KD International Education Service, and the Elite 3 Realtor. And we are happy to release this ebook on September 30, 2022. And please enjoy your free download.
Thank you for watching this video. And also, I want to thank Haiku Foundation and Poetry P and other haiku organizations for supporting this event. I also wanted to thank Mississauga again for awarding me for the micro grant for this project.